Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the scene and locking in a clean baseline. First, set your timeline range and frame rate so timing is predictable. 24 FPS and frames when 120 is common. Next, select the object and apply scale to reset transforms because keyframes record applied values. Once done, move to your start frame, press I and choose scale to insert the initial keyframe. You do this so interpolation later behaves consistently. Otherwise, unexpected jumps can appear when you animate. Now you create the change and refine motion. Move to the target frame, press S to scale the object to the desired size, and press I right arrow scale to bake that pose. Then open the graph editor to examine X, Y, Z channels. You do this to correct mismatched axes or non-uniform scaling. Select key handles and choose Bezier for smooth ease, linear for steady change, or constant for instant jumps. Make sure to adjust handle types and influence so the timing feels natural and avoids pops. Finish by polishing and securing the result. Play the animation and fine-tune timing by dragging keys in the dope sheet or scale key ranges for faster or slower motion. If you need a stable export or to combine with physics, bake the action so all key data is explicit. If something looks wrong, make sure transforms are applied, clear any scale constraints or drivers, and disable modifiers that alter scale. These common issues cause mismatched curves. If problems persist, isolate the object in a new scene to debug.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.